guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. Today we will be jumping into another Bitcoin article, guys. I know I've been talking about Bitcoin a ton here on the channel, but that's for good reason. There's a lot of headlines going around these Bitcoin ETF approvals. So before we jump into any of that, though, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, because not only I talk about Bitcoin here on the channel, but I also talk about, anything else cryptocurrency related that needs attention, right? That being said, let's jump into today's article. It reads, Cathie Wood ARK Invest Offload, GBTC shakeup, crypto holdings ahead of ETF approvals. So guys, we're going to see a lot of these huge asset management companies, just race over who gets the most Bitcoin for the cheapest, essentially, right? And we're starting to see that already. I mean, in my last video, I think we talked about BlackRock and their ETF. Today we are going to be talking about ARK. So Cathie Wood and her ARK Invest asset management company have made some major changes to the firm's cryptocurrency related holdings as crypto stocks continue to rally on expectations of spot Bitcoin ETF approvals by regulators. ARK Invest on Wednesday purchased nearly 4.31 million shares of the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF BITO for the ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. The stake is worth 92.08 million, guys. That's huge. Based on Wednesday's closing price of 21.31, according to the daily trade updates from the firm. Launched in October of 2021, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is the first U.S. Bitcoin-linked ETF. It's also the largest based on assets under management as of September 30th, according to Bloomberg data. BITO invests in Bitcoin futures contracts and does not offer direct exposure to the cryptocurrency. That's unlike the current spot Bitcoin ETF applications under review by the Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, right? So ARK BITO holdings represent 5.03 of the ARK W ETF. Further, that makes it the sixth largest position in the fund as of Thursday. So meanwhile, ARK Invest unloaded all of its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or GBTC, holdings from the ARK W Wednesday and appeared to use half of the proceeds to buy BITO, Bloomberg reported. GBTC is under review by the SEC to convert to a spot Bitcoin ETF. It was ARK W's largest holding a month ago. So transition strategy for Cathie Wood. Senior Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric, I don't want to mispronounce that last name, Balkanes, believes it's a likely transition strategy. Just like that, ARK is now the second biggest holder of BITO, although again this is a temporary parking spot. They and institutions generally use highly liquid ETFs for transitions like this. Balkanis posted on Twitter, or now X, right? So the ETF also added 20,000 shares of ARK21 shares Archive Bitcoin Future Strategy ETF, or ARCA, which invests in Bitcoin futures contracts. Meanwhile, ARK also sold 148,885 shares of Coinbase stock worth nearly 27.58 million on Wednesday at a closing price of 185.24. Cathie Wood and ARK Invest have sold sizable portions of the firm's Coinbase holdings in December as shares of the crypto exchange spiked nearly 49% during the month, MarketSmith data shows. Still, Coinbase remains the top holding in ARKW, representing 11.67% of the total fund as of December 28th. Other major ARKW sales on Wednesday included unloading 231,102 shares of Block, or SQ, and 281,284 shares of UiPath, respectively. Block was ARKW's second largest holding at 8.55% of the fund, with UiPath as the fifth largest with 5.3%. So, guys, I know this is a lot to take in, and you're probably, some of you understand some of this, right? But a lot of you probably won't. But essentially what's going on here, guys, is you see a lot of these asset management companies just trying to essentially just be ahead of the game and making sure that their ducks are in a row when all of these spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved, right? Because, I mean, that's kind of what's on the table at this point. So we're seeing a lot of these large asset management companies just move their chips around, essentially, guys. So that's basically what we're seeing here. We've seen that apparently ARK has, moved their stock from Coinbase to some of this ETF stuff. So let's go ahead and keep reading here. Cryptocurrency prices and related stocks have soared over the past few months. Traders expect the SEC will approve a wave of spot Bitcoin ETF applications in early January. Doing so allows institutional investors to participate in the crypto market and offers exposure to their customers. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is trading at 20-month highs around 43,000, surging from 27,000 at the end of September. The world's largest cryptocurrency rebounded 158% in 2023. Despite the Cathie Wood and ARK Invest sell-off, Coinbase stock has vaulted nearly 62% from a cut-based breakout in late November. It has also gained 423% for this year through Wednesday's close. Also, GBTC rallied from 66% from a mid-October breakout and spiked 337% in 2023. Further, Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital, or Mara, rocketed 160% over the past month and has capitulated more than 800% this year through Wednesday, guys. So, again, pretty much all Bitcoin related stuff is doing really, really well and has done well. Throughout the year, honestly, you see a lot of this stuff going up, guys. Stuff like these Bitcoin mining tickers you see here, like Mara, right? 160% up, guys. Coinbase stock going up. It's big things going on for Bitcoin. And I'm just going to keep continuing to bring it to your attention because, guys, like, Bitcoin controls this whole market. If you're looking at cryptocurrency, you have to look at Bitcoin. Its market dominance is definitely still prevalent, and we just have to pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing to understand the rest of the market, essentially, guys. So usually the way I like to look at it is money goes through Bitcoin and starts to flow into altcoins, and then altcoins maybe come at the same time as like your meme coins, but we'll see. I want to say in past runs it's been altcoins first, and then you get your meme boost, and then but we'll see. Who knows how this one plays out, guys. I just know I'm keeping my eyes on the whole market, but specifically Bitcoin, because again, it's the king, guys. We have to pay attention to the foundation, right? So that being said, guys, it is Crypto Ether. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you are subscribing to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button down if you did enjoy today's video, and do leave those comments, because just as much as I like to teach you guys here on the channel, I like to learn myself. So that being said, it's Crypto Ether, and I'm out of here, guys. Peace.